At this point, we've looked at personal pronouns and interrogative pronouns. In this lesson, I'd like to look at reflexive and reciprocal pronouns. Now, reflexive pronouns are fairly straightforward. They all end in self. As you can see here, we have the singular, we have the plural, but they pretty much all end in self. In our first two examples, we can see that these words can be used in different ways. So we never doubted ourselves. Here, ourselves is the direct object, right? So it functions a bit like a noun, but it is, of course, a pronoun. So we never doubted what? Ourselves. In the second one, the dictator himself was exempt. Here we have himself kind of emphasizing dictator. Which dictator? The dictator himself. And when a reflexive pronoun is used like this, we often call it an intensive or emphatic pronoun. So you will see those kinds of words being used as well. The only new diagramming rule here for reflexive pronouns is when you have this sort of intensive use, then you place it between parentheses when you diagram it. So let's quickly diagram this. So we have the dictator, right? Dictator. There we go. And we add the article here. And now we're going to put himself in parentheses behind dictator. And then we simply have the rest of the sentence. So was exempt. There we are. And our sentence diagram is done. Secondly, we have the reciprocal kind of pronoun. And this type of pronoun, there's really only two versions of it, each other and one another. And the only thing to know here is that when you diagram this, you can put these words together on the same line. So let's quickly diagram this. We have they, we have looked, there's our verb, and then we have a prepositional phrase. So we're going to put this over here, and then each other goes on the same line. And hopefully that helps you make sense of reflexive and reciprocal pronouns.